Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to start class 8 science question answers of chapter 9, that is reproduction in animals. Question number 1 is explain the importance of reproduction in organisms. The answer is reproduction is essential for the continuation of a species. It ensures that continuation of similar kinds of individuals generation after generation. Question number 2 is describe the process of fertilization in human beings. The answer is when sperms come in contact with an egg, one of the sperms may fuse with the egg. Such fusion of the egg and the sperm is called fertilization. जब एग और स्पर्म फ्यूज हो जाते हैं एक साथ तो उसको हम फर्टिलाइजेशन कहते हैं. ड्यूरिंग फर्टिलाइजेशन न्यूक्लियस ऑफ स्पर्म एंड द एग फ्यूज टू फॉर्म अ सिंगल न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस ऑफ स्पर्म जो है और एग का ये दोनों फ्यूज होकर एक सिंगल न्यूक्लियस बनते हैं. दिस रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फर्टिलाइज्ड एग or zygote. Zygote is repeatedly divided and gives rise to ball of cells. The cells then begin to form groups और ये जो cells हैं ये groups form करते हैं and that develop into different tissues and organs of the body. This developing structure is called embryo. उसको हम embryo कहते हैं, which gets embedded in the wall of uterus for further development. एम्ब्रियो ग्रेजुअली डेवलप्स इन द यूट्रस. एम्ब्रियो जो है वो धीरे धीरे डेवलप होता रहता है यूट्रस में. स्टेज ऑफ एम्ब्रियो इन विच ऑल बॉडी पार्ट्स आर आइडेंटिफाइड इज कॉल्ड फीटस. जिसमें हम पूरे बॉडी पार्ट्स जो आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं जैसे हेड, आईज, लेग्स, आर्म्स, उसको हम फीटस कहते हैं. When the fetus is fully developed और जब ये fully develop हो जाता है fetus, the mother gives birth to the baby. Here is the diagram for you. You can see over here the ovaries. जो egg formation है वो ovaries में होती हैं and only one egg get matured each month, that is from the alternate ovaries. Then you can see over the ovulation. Ovulation क्या होता है? That is the release of matured egg from ovary into the fallopian tube. जो fertilization है that takes place in the fallopian tube में. फेलोपियन ट्यूब में फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक प्लेस करती है. न्यूक्लियस या स्पर्म एंड दैट ऑफ ओवम ये फ्यूज होके बन जाते हैं जाइगोट. एंड जाइगोट इट डेवलप्स टू फॉर्म एन एम्ब्रियो which in turn develops into a fetus. Question number 3 is choose the most appropriate answer. Internal fertilization occurs in female body, outside female body, in male body, outside male body. The answer is internal fertilization occurs in female body. The B part is a tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of fertilization, metamorphosis, embedding, bedding. The correct answer is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis हम उसको बोलते हैं that is transformation of larva into adult through drastic changes is known as metamorphosis. The number of nuclei present in a zygote is none, 1, 2 or 4. The correct option is 1. Question number 4 is indicate whether the following statements are true or false. Oviparous animals give birth to young ones. This statement is wrong. Oviparous animals they lay eggs. Each sperm is a single cell. Yes, this statement is true. External fertilization takes place in frog. This statement is true because in frogs there is an external fertilization which takes place in the water. A new human individual develops from a cell called gamete. This statement is false. The answer should be zygote. Egg laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. This statement is true. This is the fertilized egg. Amoeba reproduces by budding. This statement is false. Amoeba reproduces by the binary fission. Fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. This statement is false because fertilization is not necessary in asexual reproduction because in this only single parent is involved. Binary fission is a method of asexual reproduction. This statement is true. In asexual reproduction, only single parent is involved. A zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Yes, this statement is true. An embryo is made up of single cell. No, it is made up of various tissues and organs. So this statement is false. Question number 5 is, give two differences between a zygote and a fetus. A zygote is a unicellular. Unicellular means it is a single cell. A fetus is a multicellular. A zygote is formed by the fusion of male gamete or sperm and female gamete or ova, that is egg. In fetus, all the body parts can be identified in fetus. Zygote, it divides to form embryo, whereas fetus, it develops into a baby. Next question is, define asexual reproduction. Describe two methods of asexual reproduction in animals. And the answer is the type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. It is seen in very small animals like hydra and microscopic organisms like amoeba. The two methods of asexual reproduction are, one is binary fission and the other one is budding. In binary fission, it is a form of asexual reproduction in which only one parent organism divide to form two individual organisms. Example, amoeba. In budding, it is a form of asexual reproduction characterized by growth of separation. Example, hydra and yeast. Here is the picture for you. You can see budding in hydra. You can see there is a bulge over here that is known as the bud. And this bud, it gets separated from the parent hydra and two hydras are formed. The next you can see the picture of amoeba. Amoeba, it reproduces itself by dividing into two. Amoeba, it is a single cell organism. It divides the nucleus into two nuclei, and the reproduction that is followed by the division of body into two, and each part receives the nucleus, that is the two daughter cells. Finally, two amoebae are produced by the one parent amoeba. The next question is, in which female reproductive organ does the embryo gets embedded? The answer is, in female reproductive organ, embryo gets embedded in the uterus. Question number 8 is, what is metamorphosis? Give example. The answer is the transformation of the larva into an adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. Example, frog and silkworm. You can see in the frog, the stages are from the egg, it develops into the larva or the tadpole, and from there it develops into an adult frog. In the silkworm, the egg develops into the larva or caterpillar, and then caterpillar develops into the pupa and then adult. The next question is question number 9, that is differentiate between internal and external fertilization. इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन वो होती है जो बॉडी के अंदर होती है और एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन वो होती है जो बॉडी के बाहर होती है. So external fertilization, fertilization which takes place outside the female body is called external fertilization. Internal fertilization, fertilization which takes place inside the female body is called internal fertilization. External fertilization, in this embryo development takes place outside the female body, whereas in internal fertilization embryo development takes place inside the female body. In external fertilization, large number of eggs are produced at a time. Example, frogs, fishes, etc. And in internal fertilization, generally one egg is produced at a time. Example, humans, cows, dogs, etc. Next question is, complete the crossword puzzle. A cross, that is the process of the fusion of the gametes, that is known as fertilization. The type of fertilization in hen, that is the internal fertilization. The term used for bulges observed on the sides of the body of hydra, that is known as buds. Eggs are produced here, so eggs are produced in the ovary. In dawn, sperms are produced in these male reproductive organs, that is testes. Another term for in vitro fertilization, that is IVF. These animals lay eggs, so that is known as oviparous. A type of fission in amoeba, that is known as binary fission. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.